To start off, we're going to have a keynote vision from RingCentral. So fascinated to see talking about the SME contact center and opportunity there. So over to you. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Tom. Can everyone hear me okay? Good morning, everyone. And thank you to Cavell for hosting this fantastic session today. My name's Phil Doherty, and I lead our sales engineering team here in RingCentral in our international service provider function. My presentation today is a high-level introduction into our new contact center proposition that we're bringing to market called RingCX. Today, service providers form a strategic part of our business, and today we contribute significant revenue to the bottom line of RingCentral. We have many established relationships with some major world's telco providers, many of whom are here today in the audience. So, just to provide some background to our contact center pedigree, we've got a large customer base which is growing year on year. We've been selling RingCentral contact centers for nearly 10 years now, and that's our OEM agreement with NICE inContact. In 2018, we acquired a partner in France called Demelo, who specialized in digital customer interaction. We acquired a second company in the US called Connect. Their objectives are all around outbound campaign management. And what we've done over the last couple of years is taken that voice platform and that digital platform, combined the two together, and last year we rebranded the service and launched it RingCX. So RingCX expands our contact center portfolio. Let me just tell you a little bit about RingCX. It's our native platform. We talk about agile. We talk about being agile. What does that mean? Agile for us allows us to rapidly develop capability, features and functions very quickly for market. And also, deploying agile, we can actually deliver into new markets and new territories very, very quickly. So we started in Canada, we started in the US, we're launching into the UK, we're launching into Europe, and soon we're going to be launching into Australia as well. More importantly, we're still going to retain the RingCentral contact center proposition that still exists for our partners and our sales teams to sell today. The difference being, we're going to probably more focus on more complex use cases, where customers may want larger footprints, where back-end integration, maybe using speech, maybe using biometrics, is the requirement that they need. And also maybe where a broader set of applications and tool sets are needed. So what we're seeing, and this is me as well, the rising customer expectations. Me as a consumer, I want a quick interaction. I want to be able to contact an organization across the channel of my choice, whether that's WhatsApp, whether that's email, whether that's across any channel. And ideally, I think the mic's gone. Okay. And ideally, what we're looking for here is first contact resolution. The challenge, though, is that not all customers have the technology in place today, nor the people and processes to ensure that they can deliver that first contact center resolution. Contact centers are often around managing costs, and the biggest cost within a contact center is the agent. Any investment in technology needs to be backed up with a significant and clear demonstrable return on investment. What our research is also telling us is that customers are looking for simplicity. A solution that's easy to use, easy to adopt, and not too expensive to set up and manage. And these businesses are often underserved when it comes to how they get configured and how they get managed. And that's often where you have bespoke solutions, maybe for chat and email, as opposed to an end-to-end CX solution. What we have in RingCentral, we've got the tools to help these customers deliver CX improvements without the need for complex IT integrations. So let me introduce to you RingCX. RingCX is our AI-first contact center solution that's simple to use and easy to deploy. It's been developed with a focus on customer experience. What does the CX mean? CX is all around simplifying that customer experience, enable a customer or a consumer to interact across the channels of their choice. RingCX combines RingSense. RingSense is our AI platform that we launched in 2023. It includes omni-channel routing capability, RingEX, which is our UC platform, which is all around employee experience, to deliver a next-generation AI-powered contact center solution with a disruptive range of packages and pricing for the market. RingCX will seamlessly bring together the world of voice, of video, and digital channels so that agents can easily interact with your consumers across the channel of their choice, complete with full customer journey and contextual history. Just going back to what I discussed there regarding RingCX around agile deployment, just to put some statistics out there. In the last 18 months, we've delivered over 900 product improvements to that RingCX platform by merging the voice platform and the digital platforms together. That's a huge amount of investment from our side. What's it targeted for? Where is RingCX? Where's the sweet spot? First and foremost, it is built for businesses of all size. It's built on an enterprise-grade architecture, exactly the same as our UCaaS platform, with regulation, secure, reliable platform in its foundation. RingCX is especially strong in the SMB segment. Why is it especially strong? We can deliver an omni-channel customer experience at a compelling price point where other leading enterprise contact centers cannot play. It's a rich ground there. There's not many contact center solutions that can get that down to that scale. It's built with AI infused, both before, during, and after a customer interaction. We provide transcriptions, we provide summaries. We'll provide an AI-based workforce engagement platform. We'll provide an array of tools both for agents and virtual assistants. In the box, ACD, skills-based routing, IVR, all the industry-class UCaaS services, CCaaS services that you would expect. We've got an out-of-the-box dialer as well. 20-plus digital channels come with the solution, all delivered and presented to an agent through a single pane of glass, complete with a rich omni-channel history and reporting capability. It's very simple, easy to deploy, easy to scale, and from a delivery perspective, we've got a set of custom PS deliverables that we can get that service up and running very, very quickly. Simple to use, it'll be integrated with our UCaaS platform. Single click, escalate to video, no need for a third-party video service when we've got that inherent in the platform. We talk about CRM integrations, Zendesk, Salesforce, HubSpot, Dynamics. All of these services are going to be available from the platform. Now, what does that deliver? To us, that delivers unmatched value. A proposition that can give you all of that capability from voice and digital channels included within the package. We also have options whereby if a customer wants advanced workforce management capability and they want to manage their estate across multiple locations, we have a partnership with Cavell to do that. Going back to the previous slide, it's about return on investment. We believe we've got one of the lowest total cost of ownership propositions here out there in the marketplace. Our goal is to unify the customer interactions across all channels. How many times do you engage with an organization today? You may come in on one particular channel. That channel closes down at 6 p.m. If you need to escalate and get some support, you're often stuck in a siloed customer interaction. Commonly, we also see where agents would sit on one side of a building and the social media team that interact with consumers, they sit in different areas. They often don't talk. So the goal of RingCX is to unify all of those interactions across all channels to give a seamless experience for our customers today. I'll talk about agent performance. What we want to do is provide a single pane of glass so the agent doesn't have to flick between different screens. We'll provide interaction for voice. We'll provide all those digital channels. Gone are the days of cutting and pasting whereby you're taking a customer's record, pasting it, updating the CRM application as we go. This will be there out of the box. We'll provide bi-directional presence. What does that mean? If I need a resolver group, I need access to somebody to help me with that customer interaction, I can quickly look into the back office because that's what RingCentral provides as well. I can provide that first contact resolution very quickly. When it comes to standards and simplicity, we have over 250 reports straight out of the box. I'm not sure that there's any organization out there that couldn't be fulfilled by some of those reports. I'm sure there'll be a finance guy out there who wants other touch points, other metrics that they may need. And because of that, we've also got additional data points that we can build into a custom dashboard. All of this is provided through a single interface. All your digital, all your voice, all your outbound customer interactions are presented through a single interface there. You know, the theme of today is around AI. And what does AI mean when we infuse it within our RingCX platform? First and foremost, AI should be used to address a business problem. Using AI in a contact center shouldn't be just around reducing average handling time. And it shouldn't be just about cost savings. Why don't we use AI to help improve an agent's performance? Improving the agent's performance can improve the bottom line of the organization as well. When deployed effectively, you should be able to reduce agent attrition. If your agents are performing well, then you take that attrition out, and that will help reduce the overhead for onboarding and training new agents, which is a big cost in the contact center. Empowering an AI culture will help motivate and improve performance across the business, which can only be better for any organization. So from an AI perspective, all of our RingCX platform is infused. We talk about AI for customers. We've got an array of virtual assistants with all the leading third-party bot providers and an ecosystem of partners that we can use. The objective's simple. Automate simple, repetitive tasks across the digital channels. Allow customers to self-serve, and if the customer needs additional support from an agent, then it's the seamless handover of that contextual history to the agent. Maybe it's going to be a theme in one of the sessions later on, but there is a view, especially in SMBs and small organizations, that AI, it's costly, it's expensive, and it's a time-consuming project. What we think here with RingCX, we defy that myth because we infuse AI into the agent interface using our Agent Assist service. So we provide insight before the contact comes to the agent. We'll get the insight and behavior of what's happened on the digital channels. We'll provide real-time agent coaching. We'll provide live coaching in every call. We'll provide insight to deliver that first contact resolution. After the interaction, we'll provide post-call summaries. We're looking at actionable insights. What can we do to improve that agent performance? All of that will be presented into a screen for the agents to look at. Gone are going to be the days that a supervisor has to go in, search through all the calls, and look at the agent behavior. It will be there and presented. We have AI for operations. We have post-call summaries, transcripts, conversation analytics, and a bit of a game changer of what we class with quality management. So we provide transcripts and summaries at the end of every call. We'll provide a simplified view to the agent of the interaction that's happened. Now, I tested this a couple of weeks ago. I made a call into the contact center. I wanted to compare an iPhone versus an Android device. I wanted to compare a price plan, and I wanted to compare the feature set of the device. At the end of my interaction, I had all the topics that were summarized, and I had a list of all the key items that the agent then had to come back to me with real time. Really impressive, really, really powerful. We talk about conversation analytics. What keywords, what are the agents doing with the consumers? What are the objection handling that they have? What are you going to do with that? You know, what's the sentiment of an agent having an interaction with a consumer? What do we need to pick up on that needs to, be addressed through attention? And ultimately, how can we capture all those top moments which are customer frustrations across each of the different touch points, across each of the different sales channels? Fantastic that you can actually address that. Quality management, I touched on earlier. We are providing an automated quality management process which will automatically score a customer's interaction and the agent and providing feedback. Gone are the days of manually filling out scorecards on behalf of an agent. Taking this effort out will allow the agents to improve performance. It will enable the supervisors to improve the overall customer satisfaction score. In summary, RingCX is an enterprise-grade contact center solution which addresses the needs of all businesses from small to large. We have a disruptive range of prices and packages to address business needs of all sizes, even an SMB. It's about simplicity. It's not about complexity. It's about improving the customer experience, and it's about leveraging AI to improve the interaction and help the operational teams become more efficient and more effective. I have to say a big thanks to our RingCentral CX product team for the rapid deployment of the service that they've done here. My team's here. We're around for the rest of the day. We're going to be involved in some of the panel sessions. I'd love to continue at these conversations. I look forward to some of the panel sessions this afternoon. Thank you for your time.